Sexual harassment at work occurs when any employee, women or men, experience repeated unwanted sexual attention, or when on the job conditions are hostile or threatening in a sexual way. It includes both physical conduct as well as verbal harassment, such as sexual jokes or propositions. Women are the target of most sexual harassment. There is a four-point action program to curb sexual harassment. Number 1. Adopt a company-wide policy forbidding sexual harassment and communicate it to all employees and others who deal with the company. Specific actions include orientation of new employees, training films and seminars, posters, a personal statement by top management, and designation of a neutral third party to hear complaints and field questions from employees. Number 2. Vigorously investigate all complaints and act on the findings. Specific actions include giving investigative responsibility to a qualified person who understands the psychological and organizational dimensions of sexual harassment. Follow-up based on the findings is required if the policy is to have meaning for everyone in the company. Number 3. Include sexual harassment in performance appraisals of all employees, punishing those who violate company policy. Treat sexual harassment as a form of unprofessional conduct that lowers the victim's job satisfaction, affects her or his progress and career in the company, and lowers overall company performance and productivity. Promoting or otherwise rewarding a harasser sends the wrong message about sexual harassment. And finally, number 4. Create and reinforce a climate of professional behavior that discourages sexual harassment. Specific steps include frequent reminders of the importance of acting professionally, alerting employees to professional forms of addressing one another, that is, avoiding doll and sweetie, for example, and striving for sex neutral interchanges when men and women work together. Log on to my website www.asifjmeer.com. I also ask you to visit my blog at asifjmeer.wordpress.com. Thank you for listening. Thank you for your time. Have a wonderful day.